Hello, a very good day, everyone. This is the video presentation for STIW3054 real-time programming project. So first of all, I will introduce the name of my team member. The member consists of Lin Guang Wei, metric number 256750, Tang Wei Di 259296, Wami Chi 259501, and last but not least, myself, So Chi Fong 259521. Okay, so first of all, I will explain briefly what this project is about. Basically, in this project, we have to develop a real-time system as is stated here, using Marvel as well. So, the requirement for this program is that first of all, it should clone and download all the repository from this link. So this link is actually the link that we send for our assignment 1. So we have to clone all the repo here. So first of all, clone all the repo, and then we have to compile the Java program for all the repo. So if in case if there is something wrong with the compilation, so we have to send the error message to the log file. So this is the example format, and then the output of the program should also be stored into the text file, and this is the format as well. So we also have to generate the software metric for each of the program using this CKJM's metrics. So this is an example of the format. So we have these few categories, as you can see here. This is what we will do as basically for our program. Okay, now we will take a look on the overall structure of our file. So basically, this is all the classes for our program. So we have created a few packages, as you can see here: CKJM, clone repo, Excel function, for Java configurations, and also for Maven as well. So first of all, these three class path, test CKJM and test CKJM run number. So these three classes are used for the CKJM configurations. This is the overall of the coding. The next one is the clone repo package. So I open up the class. So the first one is this clone repo run number, and then we have the repo link and also the URL details. So all these three classes is used for cloning the repo. So next we have this Excel functions. So the main function of this class is to save our output into the Excel files. Next we have the Java package. So basically all this class is used for the JAR configurations. Also last but not least, we have this Maven function package. So this Maven function is used to invoke the Maven and also the Maven configurations. Okay, so this is the main class of our file. Okay, so now we will try to run the programs. Okay, so our program has finished running. So as you can see, here is the output of the programs. So first of all, this one is details about how many threads have been used, for clonings, how many repository that we have cloned. So this is to indicate that we have cloned all the repository. So next, this one is to tell us that whether we have built the Maven repository successfully or not. So as you can see, in some cases, there's been build failure for the repository. So next one is to run the JAR. So here, if you can see, if the JAR are unable to run, so it will display JAR error. If the JAR can be run, it will display run JAR completed. And then last, it will display that information for the CKJM metrics. So this one indicates that all the repository have been test with the CKJM matrix. And then this will indicate that all the information has been stored into the bar graph. So now we will be looking at the output files of our programs. So here is the directory, targets, and output. So all the outputs of informations that for our program have been stored here. So first of all, let's look at the log file. So if there is any error informations, they will be stored into this log file with the metric name respectively for each repository. This is for the log file, and then this is the out file. So the out file will display the outcome for each repository. For example, the one I opened right here. So this is the output of the Java program for this repository. Okay, so this is for the .out file. Next, we'll be looking at the repo. So this one is the repository that we have cloned at the beginning of these programs. So as you can see here, all the files have been saved here. So the next one is text file. So this text file is for use to store the result of the CKJM matrix. So as you can see here, all the information is here. So next, this is the bar graph. So this bar graph will store all the informations about the CKJMs into the bar forms. Now we will look at the Microsoft Excel file. So this one is also all the information about the CKJ matrix that have been stored into the Excel file for all the students, the repository that we have cloned. Okay, so now I will be showing you guys how to run the program using JR. So for your information, this directory is the directory of our projects. So if we include the directory here, we can run the JR file of the specific repo. So as you can see here, I have included the directory for one of the repo that I cloned just now. So I will just press enter. Okay, so now the program has been executed. So as you can see, all the information is here. Build success. So this one is all the informations about the CKJM, the output of the repository, and the total execution time as well. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the overall structure of the class diagrams of our programs. So all the class is here, as you can see. Okay, so basically there's how the overall structure and how our program runs. And I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.